guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to solve Oppo from automatic touch or screen touch problem. So before proceeding, please share, like and subscribe so that you will never miss any update. So now I'm going to show you how to solve Oppo from automatic touch or screen touch problem. So first we're going to on the setting, and then after this you can scroll like down like this also to search it, or you can just simply search it here so that it will make you more easier. So I will search here. So after this we have to check the storage. Here it's written here storage, so we will click here. Now it shows here the capacity and the use that has been used and available. So sometimes the problem is the storage that the phone has been the phone the phone will be a problem. So we have to reset it. We have to we have to clear the storage. We have to delete the app which is not needed, the app that we don't need, that delete it. And then here on SD card, it will on SD card it depend on your how many GB is there on your SD card. So like here SD card has been available till 20 GB is still available. So we have to on the phone we have to clear the storage on the phone. And after that you have done that, then you will click on reset. Then we will click on backup and reset. Then after that we will click on reset to factory setting. So after that we will reset here. It will be written here reset system setting only. Click there and then write the password, and then here reset setting. So you have to click here reset setting, reset system setting only. Click there and then it will reset. So after it has been or already set, you can simply search it here also. Here right here, click on additional setting and click on backup and reset. So just reset it, and after you have done reset, then you will on again. After you've done reset the phone, then you can also check then on again on additional setting, and then here it should automatic on off, then automatic power on, automatic power off here also. So it will automatically on, the phone will on 7 a.m. and it will power off on 11 p.m. So if you on this automatic on and off. So this is it guys of how to solve Oppo from automatic touch or touch screen problem. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like it.